Intruder alert!
Here for more Harley Quinn. This game is amazing. Welcome in, Nugga. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for stopping in. What's going on here?
Hello, item.
Oh, I was like, what the? Oh, wow. Wow, I'm gonna die. They can't get to me. Go, 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 go. It won't let me go. It won't let me go. I gotta kill these. Shoot. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. I'm literally gonna die. Hold on, hold on, hold on. And you know what? I feel like because I have to shoot so much in this level, this is what the boss level is gonna be, and I'm gonna suck.
Chainsaw blaster.
Where?
Blaster. Chainsaw blaster.
Please be it. Please be it. There's more? Okay. I hate that. Deadpool dresses like a cheerleader and does the same thing? Oh yeah, I definitely have to play. What? Why is he dressed like a cheerleader? You know what? Don't tell me. I'll find out on my own. What the? Oh.
Okay then.
Alright, let's go see what's going on. Look, she has dirt under her butt.
Juliet, it's Mom. I hate to be a dingbat, but I guess I forgot to buy milk and I have to make your cake. Would you mind picking some up on the way? Oh, wait. I really am a dingbat. It's sitting right here on the counter.
Why does her mom sound like a sex phone operator? Wow. Alright. You know what? I wish that lasted longer. I wish there was an upgrade to make that last like 1 minute.
I'm getting a great cat workout.
All right, what do I need to?
Around.
Are you saying my head is fat?
What's this then?
Please, I know I'm gonna have to do something with these barrels. Yep.
Oh no, it's like evil carrot dudes.
Someone's using some fucked up fertilizer.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Blaster.
Yep. Is there more? Or is that just one? That's just one. Alright, here we go. What do the blue barrels do?
Blaster.
Oh.
Looking good.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I got me a, whatever it's called. Alright, y'all come over here and let me hit you. I think I'm getting better at this. You see how many zombies I blew up because I knew how to aim? Oh, wait, hold on. Sorry, I thought I was done. Oh, no. Look at all these zombies. This is actually unfair. Okay. There's so many. I think this might be where I die. This might be it for me. Come over here. Oh, I can get this and use it. Yeah, I definitely was not smart with that. How do I use my ticket? How do I use my, I don't remember how to use it.
Chainsaw blaster.
Oh shoot. I for sure thought I was gonna land on the wind. Oh no.
Yay! Awesome. Cool.
3 in a row. I want another barrel. This sucks.
Chainsaw blaster.
And I hit that one.
All right.
I'm getting better. Obviously that means I keep hitting them in their heads, right? Oh, and I have no more bullets. This is annoying. Oh, I'm gonna die. She's so slow.
Damn it.
I'm so close to having my meter filled too. There we go.
Chainsaw blaster.
I know for a fact I'm not getting an A on this part. I did not do that right. That's everybody? Let's go! Okay, I doubted myself, and I did it. Oh, welcome back! Twitch keeps kicking you out? I'm so sorry. Twitch been tripping for a lot of people lately. Oh my god, this thing again.
I don't care for strangers.
I don't have the time for you, old fart.
Wait, can I come out here in the open? Yeah. I don't want to be in there with him. Come on! Oh, not him throwing zombies at me? Are you serious? That sound he makes sounds like a rubber band. You sound like a bouncy ball. Woo! Get out the way. Now this.
Be my bride.
Oh no, where's Rosalind? Rosalind!
I told you these people were conscious. He's talking about be my bride. Sir, do you see your eyes bulging out of your face? Get help. So let's go.
Let's go!
Which way am I going? This way. I guess we're about to do the boss. I hope Rosalind's not the boss.
Hurry, Juliet, get in! Rosalind! I was worried about you. Are you okay? Yeah, I guess. This stupid bus broke down.
She has pink hair like me.
Fixed it.
Hey, Rosalind.
Twins.
Nice meeting you up close.
She's not her sister.
How did you fix the bus, Rosalind?
I'm not Rosalind.
Just last week, you had to take your car to the shop because you didn't know cars needed oil. How could you know how to...
Rosalind, where are we going?
Rosalind? Hey.
It's not your sister. What'd I say?
What the heck?
We're dorks. You're great.
She's a shapeshifter, demon. She gotta go. I've seen enough. We gotta kill her. And I just know they're gonna make me use this gun. Oh my god. Not Melina.
Where the hell are you?
I told you she was a hippie demon.
Oh, sister Juliet and brother Nick. Let's travel to the land beyond the doors of perception. Step outside the boundaries of your mind. Lose yourself in the eternal, collective unconscious.
She's cool though. I like her.
And rot.
Listen, lady. Why don't you try using some deodorant? Because honestly, you smell like shit.
This one was just as insolent.
Oh, she has her sister.
Rosalind!
Now, open your heart and let my music guide you into the world of everlasting peace and rot and hell.
Psychedelic zombie. Okay.
Flow on, child, into the rush of chaos and dark.
Oh, I can't even.
Pretty cool, Blaster.
Let the darkness spread.
I can't even get her. She trying to hit me with bubbles.
Accept your fight.
Juliet.
I can't even get her.
Accept your
There we go.
Juliet.
There we go. Got her a couple times. I'm gonna come back around. I'm gonna come back around.
Accept your fight.
Watch out!
I see. I see.
Kill that trippy bitch!
Oh my gosh.
Now it's mine. Chainsaw Blaster.
Yeah, that's all there is.
Is it? How do I even know if it's hitting her? Like that.
Juliet.
All there is.
I knew I was gonna have to use this stupid gun.
Let's
Chainsaw Blaster.
Be careful, Juliet!
I will risk getting hit by these bubbles
to the bone.
Watch out!
if I can just hit her.
Blaster.
Accept your plight.
Watch out!
Yeah.
Chainsaw
Thunder
Blaster.
and rage of the people. Piss on the graves of the fallen warriors. And pray that your soul rot in rage.
What's this then?
Slice her in half, Juliet.
One truth becomes.
Oh, now she turns into two bubbles. Jesus Christ.
Two truths become.
There's like 4 of her. Is this for real?
Oh,
What the hell?
darn. How do I... If you just keep...
Chainsaw blaster.
What? Oh my god.
Chainsaw
Let the
blaster.
darkness spread.
Now it's mine.
It's just crazy. Oh my god.
Kill that trippy bitch.
Blaster.
Let the darkness spread.
Chainsaw blaster.
This is a lot. Or maybe I just don't have any skills.
Right to
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
the
Not doing well at all.
Oh man.
Like, where do you go in that situation? I didn't mean to do that.
Macrame her stupid guts. Oh, this bitch is stinky.
Am I supposed to hit the one driving the truck? Oh, no, no, no. I'm getting her. I'm getting her. Slowly but surely, I'm getting her. Hey, welcome in, Tea Time. Sorry. Sorry if it's been a while since you chatted and I didn't say anything. Happy Tuesday to you. I'm trying not to die.
Guts.
There's a lot happening. Oh my god.
Chainsaw blaster.
Oh my god. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
nourishing despair.
Now it's mine.
She's just gonna go into fours again though. Is that it?
One truth become.
Oh my god.
Two truths become.
Oh. Hey Shadow, welcome in. I hope everybody's having a good Tuesday too.
Truth before your eyes.
What the?
The gates to the abyss shall open.
Can I go home now?
Ooh. This is too much. Woo! I didn't see this thing coming after me. Well, that's what I get for trying to get this bullet.
Shoot that hippie!
Blaster.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Chainsaw blaster.
Shoot that hippie!
Alright, here comes the hand. Here comes the hand.
Now it's mine.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no!
Team Cell Blaster.
This is crazy. Oh my god.
Team Cell Blaster.
Alright, I got a good strategy though. I got a good strategy.
Team Cell Blaster.
Why is she moaning like that though? Can you please chill out? Like please, I do not need that in my ear, man. I don't have any more bullets.
Oh, this bitch is stinky.
Cell Blaster.
There we go.
Trillion butterflies.
I hope this is the last one.
Fluttering wings eating away at our souls.
Now it's mine.
Do you hear her moaning like that? Please. There we go. No death. And I didn't die.
Choke on your Birkenstock.
She's a cute
psilocybin
zombie.
Munching moron.
Heavy. Peace out.
Like if you had to
Hey.
think of a cute zombie, she's up there. She's up there. Too bad you had to die. All right. Demon number 3 down.
Esquita reggae from the Fario Coepto.
Still moaning as she dies.
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
Trippy.
Rosalind? She's not here.
Hey there, Juliet. Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
What?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your hands off of me, you zombie pedo! Juliet, don't worry about me.
If you want your sister back, baby, you need to win a game with me. Make your way to the Fulci Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your crew like it's 1983.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't
I
have
have
any other
something to say.
choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us?
It's my dad.
Daddy!
He likes baby making.
Starling?
No, it said he has a skill of baby making. I was gonna say this is like Resident Evil, where you gotta go around to the different demons.
Okay then.
They have different. Look at all those D's. Look at all those D's.
One more time.
They gave me a D. What? I thought I did pretty good. I thought I did pretty good. And they gave me a D. Anyways, this is like Resident Evil. You go around fighting all the different people in the different stages of what they are, right? It's the same thing. He said, is that not Elvis? Her dad does look like Elvis. It's the hair. All right. I'm a little nervous, but look, we made it through parking. We made it through high school. We made it through the stadium. We made it through the farm. And now we're going to the fun center, which might be pretty cool. And then the very last one, I'm guessing, is going to be the actual student that we have to fight, because this is the 4th demon right here that we're going into. So And he seems a little sure of himself. But guess what? Not one boss has got me yet, sir. So let's see what you got. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but they haven't killed me. So
I'm worried about Rosalind.
Hell, that girl knows trouble like apple knows pie.
Excuse me.
Boy, you be careful now about where you're touching my daughter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We gotta be careful. This Rosalind situation, so she don't get hurt.
So, I guess the two of you haven't been formally introduced. Dad, this is...
Nick, I know. You told me all about it. Failed to mention the, disability.
It's kind of a new thing, sir.
You seem like a fine person, but whatever dude Juliet ends up with is gonna be part of the family business. What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
And how do you know that?
She doesn't. She doesn't know that at all, sir. She has no idea if my tongue is limber.
now, why would she say
We're
that?
here. What the hell kind of place is this?
It's the Fulci Fun Center, Dad, where all the kids from San Romero hang out after school. Look at this. I'll head into the building at the entrance, all right? Daddy, you go around and sneak in from the back. I'll act as a decoy, drawing all the zombies' attention towards me, while you go up to the roof where Rosalind should be.
Juliet, you just made yourself a decoy.
Dad, what's wrong?
My little girl is a tactical.
I was gonna say Juliet's pretty smart.
Your mom and me got a little something for your special day. Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks, Daddy.
All right, I'm off.
Good luck, sir. You're gonna do awesome,
Is
I'm
San
sure.
Romero supposed to be like
Stop sucking up, son.
Japan?
And don't think I forgot that tongue stuff neither. You best watch what you do with my little girl when you're hiding in the shadows.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I think he really
What the
liked
heck
you.
did he just do? Just slide up that rail like that?
All right.
He just slithered up. The whole family are witches. The whole family. I don't know what they got going on.
Oh, I'm so touched. My mom and dad knew exactly what I wanted.
Nick, shoot!
I can't wait to thank them in person.
What? Hey, Shady since 95. Nice to see you.
I need to level up.
We got nerd zombies now? Nick shoot. Shoot Nick to make the zombies groggy.
Look
How
at
do
the
I
zombie geek
shoot
zombieing out killing
Nick?
zombies in video games.
If we kill them, it'll be totally meta.
How do I shoot Nick? Like this? That was definitely... How do I shoot Nick?
Heat it up.
It said RT. That's what I pressed. Oh, these zombies are kind of strong. Oh my god. Dude, you're gonna die. Do I have to equip it? Let me see. I don't think I do though. It said press RT.
We better help this dude before his game is over.
Oh, I'll go all rating mature on their asses.
These zombies are strong. What the heck y'all got going on over here? You're supposed to be nerd zombies. Like, please. Oh my god. Did I save him?
Metal up your ass.
Did I save you? Alright, good. I've been killing way too many people. Now let me figure out. Okay, look. I have this, but this is the chainsaw blaster. I'm pressing R-T. It's not Nick. I'm so confused. It's supposed to be Nick. I'm holding down RT. I guess I'll never know. I don't know how to do it. Okay, whatever.
Going up.
We'll figure it out later. At least I can use the gun. That's what I thought. I thought I was going to be able to use the gun and then his head was going to shoot out. But... is this zombie black?
Whoa! Things just got all Commodore 64 on us.
Pac-Man. Yo, he is. He sure is. Look at his pink fur coat.
Uh-oh. I think it thinks we're blue ghosts.
Okay, so I have to run. This game has everything. This game has everything. Pac-Man, pole dancing, driving a tractor. It has it all.
Are you ready?
Oh my god. This is crazy. Find all the keys.
I guess the one thing I don't have to worry about is calloused thumbs.
Oh my god. This is pretty cool. I don't know where the Pac-Man is, but... where are the keys? I haven't seen one key. Don't I have to find like 5? I've been all around this thing. There it is.
That dude would be scared.
Now you're gonna add 3? What happened to just adding 1 more? Oh my god, there's a key over there. Woo!
Intruder alert!
Oh no!
Oh my god.
Okay. Oh, there's 8 keys. Why did I think there were 5? Oh no.
Intruder alert!
Woo! This music sounds like Persona, and I dig it.
Intruder alert!
Wow.
I only need 2 more. Okay? 1 more. Wherever could... woo! It's over there in the corner. I see it.
You win!
That could have went way left. That could have went way left. Let me get this.
Wow.
Yay!
Next level!
Next level? This is what I miss about older games though. The way every level has like been a different thing to break up the monotony of just slicing through zombies has been really nice. I will say that.
I wonder what they have.
This is what, so like when I play God of War, I'm always like, oh, I don't like the puzzles in God of War, right? And I'm always like, oh, this is so annoying. Like, I understand why you need puzzles though, is to break up the monotony. This is another option for breaking up that monotony. It's the way last level was me at a farm doing tractor stuff with farms and dead cows and dead horses. This one, I'm in an arcade running around Pac-Man. So it doesn't feel like the last one.
Let's go. Let's do this thing.
These zombies are resilient. If I slice you one time, that should be
They're
it.
getting a total workout swinging this chainsaw around.
You.
Are you just rubbing in that I don't have triceps?
Oh shoot.
Punch me!
And they all throwing fire, like please. Chill out. Nick gets to be a cheerleader now?
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I love them.
7, 8, 9, 10. Nick's head's on the block, and he's grooving, 10, 5, 6.
Oh god.
Please!
No! I'm too pretty to die! We're gonna
No.
bring these zombies the funk, right, Nick?
What? You gonna fuck a zombie?
No, gross! Bring them the funk!
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just thinking of something else, and I'm really sorry.
Thanks, Juliet! Totally gonna friend request you tonight.
I'm glad my track record has gotten better with saving people, because I was not doing well.
Check it out! What's this then?
I'm Josie James, bitch.
You're who, sir? Josie James? Oh my god. I have to shoot.
Hey there!
Are you ready? Start.
Let's check out these elevators.
Now this!
Oh, okay. No, I actually
This is
don't
all too
understand what's
surreal.
going
If a
on.
little dude in a red cap and blue overalls pops out at me, I am seriously gonna vomit all over myself.
This is great! I'm such a game geek!
This is so interesting. Like, I am thoroughly impressed with the mechanics of this game. Like, what is going on here?
Sweet!
This is cool.
Guess I'm into some side-scrolling from time to time.
Nick, now isn't the time to be talking dirty.
What? Wait, I'm confused. What am I supposed to... Okay. So now I can go up. Alright. This is technically a puzzle, but it's fine.
Totally! I'm so ashamed of myself.
Alright, let's go up again. What the heck was I supposed to do?
Check it out!
Oh.
I really suck sometimes.
Oh. Wait.
Not even! Ready? Okay!
That's what I was supposed to do.
Okay! If it bleeds, I can kill it.
Took me a minute, but we got it. We got it.
They say solid colors are slimming. Does my butt look less ginormous when I'm all pink like this?
Your butt never looks ginormous, Juliet.
What am I supposed to... This is cool, like I'm saying, like it really breaks it up. I just...
Oh well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
This is so... Oh, shoot.
Going up. And this! It's more fun killing zombies when they're in rainbow colors, huh?
It's about the same, maybe a little better.
I really like her and Nick together. Oh no. Oh, no. Why does he have that hat on? He's like a dog with a hat on.
You win! Next level.
That was a little much. That was a little much. But I liked it. Oh god. What is happening here? The pole's back!
Let's go! When I practice this alone in my room, I do it naked and get less wind resistance. I do it for the exercise. Really? Hey, zombies. Put $1 in my skirt and I won't kill you. Just kidding. I'll kill you anyway.
Where's my dad to help me? Like, please.
You're supposed to throw dollar bills, dude, not bombs.
Oh god, what is this? You're wasting my song. Yeah.
Done and done.
You thought.
Watch me do her robot
Die. Wow.
Alright!
I think that's Elvis, actually. Another mini game.
Are you having fun?
I am actually. I am having fun.